What's up guys, Vern here, Pogiboy Productions. We're here at Mongolian BBQ Magic Grill. This is one of the few places that has Mongolian barbecue. I think there's another one in Edison, I'm not sure. But basically it's a giant like wok where they cook it in front of you. Got a lot of nice food here too. I'm gonna try it. I heard the dessert is banging and it's worth it. So yeah, keep watching if you're hungry, and we're gonna try some good food today. Keep watching. They always have this Chinese zodiac. I think I'm here somewhere. I forgot what I am. I think I'm a dragon. Chicken. I'm gonna get all the meats.
You make a recording?
Yeah, a YouTuber.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So hopefully you guys get more customers.
Thank you.
Lots of veggies too. I'm gonna fill it up. Oh, some mushrooms. And get some carrots too. And maybe I will try. Let me try the Mongolian, a mild sauce with sauce. I'm gonna try a chef's barbecue. They have wine. All right, let's try this. That's a flavor-packed noodles. I'll wait for the man. Thank you. Wow. You add more toppings, add peanuts, some oil, like that. So we got some wonton soup. Can't go wrong with that. Look at that. You get 2 in a bowl and the broth. All right, let's dig into this wonton. Wonton of pure goodness. This has beef inside for those who don't know, and it's wrapped in I don't know what you call it, but this is really good stuff. Nice, I like it. It's the perfect start to your heavy meal. It's the soup tastes just right, and this is like a dumpling kind of thing. It's good. I recommend you get this, guys, before you eat your noodles. Oop, sorry. And pour some hot tea. It's good for your soul. Cheers, guys. Isn't tea like have some medicinal properties? I think it's good for your digestion, but not tea. All right, let's try some of these noodles. So as you can see, that's how a Mongolian barbecue is. I got chicken, I got beef, I got pork, I got noodles, I add some nuts in here, broccoli, mushroom, onions, everything. All right, let's dig into this. It's really good. And the sauce I used was the special chef barbecue sauce. And there's like 3 others. I think they even had the Mongolian barbecue, which is soy based. You thought I'm a first timer because it's only $20. But if you come here, make sure you pile on high. Like this much, get your money's worth. But this is good.
Yeah, no, it was totally against him.
Delicious. This is their dessert. Oh, looks like shumai to me, but this is sweet sticky rice with mushroom, and you use this as a sauce for it. Looks good. Let's try it. All right, let's try it. This is there is sticky rice with mushroom in here.
I can't wear tan pants.
Oh, okay.
I need some color.
This is the dessert. Let's try some of the sauce on
They
it.
come in dark green and like a purplish, dark purple, and like a dark tan.
I don't know how much you
and,
put
like,
on it,
dark
but
pink.
all right. There we go.
That's why you guys say no black.
Can't wait.
What is black do? Thank you. You're welcome. Right now.
There's sticky rice.
My pants are on sale. Can you think about it? I guess it's tomorrow. That's fine. Thursday. With those green pants that I have. It's so hard to find.
I was expecting sweet. This is good. Thank you. Yeah. There's you get 4 in a pot. I'm not sure how much this is, but I'll have to look it up. But it's pretty good. I'd recommend it. Okay, so this is just part of the buffet for $19. And it's not dessert, sorry. This is more sticky rice with mushroom. They don't have dessert, but they give you fortune cookies, which is always a good thing, right? Fortune. There you go. Embrace the funny moments with open arms. Okay. I am a comedian, kinda. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that video. This is Magic Grill in Garwood, New Jersey. So this is an, as you can see, it's a very old school style. They don't even have desserts. They have fortune cookies in the end, but you know, everything was like Chinese, like you know how an old Chinese restaurant setup is. So that's what it is, and I just like how they grill everything in front of you. You can mix the sauces, you can mix the ingredients, whatever you want, pile it as high as you can. $20, that's a steal. Where else can you get that? And then, sorry about the I thought it was a dessert. Someone told me it's Biko, so I was thinking it tasted like Biko, but its consistency is like Biko, and it's just sticky rice. It's like compact with some mushrooms, and then you add in the sauce, and it's tasty. It's very good, and that comes with the buffet as well. Well, not the buffet. It comes with the package of when you buy your the food, and it also comes with the dumpling soup, which is pretty good. You get 2 of them. So yeah, come here. It's in Garwood, New Jersey. Come hungry. And tell them Pogiboy sent ya. Anyway, guys, if this is the first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, ring the bell to get notified of all our future videos, like, comment, and share. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.